In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert emojis in Gmail to add that extra flair to your emails. Whether you're sending a casual message to a friend or want to spice up a professional email, emojis can really enhance your communication. It's a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through each step so you can start using emojis with ease. First, let's begin by opening your Gmail account. You'll need to be logged into your account and ready to compose a new email. Once you're there, look for the Compose button, usually located on the left-hand side of your Gmail screen. Click on it, and a new email window will pop up, ready for you to draft your message. Now, in this Composing tab, your attention should hover towards the bottom, where you'll notice a toolbar packed with various icons. Among these icons, there's one that resembles a small smiley face. That's your emoji icon, and it's the key to accessing a wide array of emojis that Gmail has to offer. Give that emoji icon a click, and you'll notice a small menu appearing right away. This menu is your treasure trove of expressive little icons. Here, you can explore a variety of emoji categories, such as smileys, animals, food, activities, travel, and more. If you're simply in the mood to browse and see what catches your eye, feel free to manually scroll through these categories and discover something that perfectly suits your message. On the other hand, if you have a specific emoji in mind, Gmail has made it incredibly convenient for you to find it quickly. At the top of the emoji menu, there's a search bar. Simply type in the name or a keyword related to the emoji you want. Perhaps you're thinking of a heart or sunshine, and the related emojis will pop up instantly. This search feature saves you time and makes it super easy to navigate through Gmail's emoji offerings. Once you've found the perfect emoji, all that's left to do is click on it, and it will be inserted directly into your email wherever your cursor is placed. It's as simple as that. You can insert as many emojis as you like, helping to convey your tone or intention a bit more vividly. And there you have it, a straightforward way to insert emojis into your Gmail messages. With this newfound skill, you'll be able to enhance your emails, making them more visually engaging and expressive. Thanks for tuning in, and happy emailing!